Hello everyone, you are on the channel Born to Wonder. This is a knitting channel. My name is Honey. I found the most popular yarn online at the best price on Amazon. As you may have guessed, this is Alize Puffy, tender and soft, 100% hypoallergenic. It is used knit decorative blankets, shoulder toys, various products, and even hats. It is suitable for babies from birth and very easy to use. You can knit a blanket of any size. I'm adding a layout so you can guide your yarn usage for different blanket size. This collocation is suitable for everyone. You don't need to worry about knitting, density, or complicated collocations because the yarn already consists for ready-made loops. Even complete beginner can handle it. Knitting a blanket can be done without knitting needles or a crochet hook, all in one go. There's a wide selection of yarn at the budget-friendly prices on Amazon. In this video, I will show how to determine the number of loops for the first row, how to knit the beginning and the end of a row, how to connect two row skeins when the yarn runs out, and finally how to make a beginning for the finished product. Subscribe to my channel, like the video. Let's move on to work. The first loop needs to be unraveled. This edge will later be hidden in the fabric. From the beginning of the row, I measure the baby product. I need 18 centimeters at the base. To this measurement, I added 25% for the elasticity of the product. At this point, I already have my marker. Repeat the same process with the next pair. Continue this way, making sure loops are not twisted. In each row, the loops cross in alternating directions. Knit one row from right to left, the next row from left to right. You need to calculate the number of loops. It should be even. Lay the loops flat. Make sure there's no twist and all face one direction. The mark point on the left is the first row of the product. The right side is the working yarn. Take the loops in pairs. Place the right over the left and insert them one by one into the first row. Repeat the same progress The reverse row is knitted without turns the fabric. The last loop of the previous row becomes the first. I skip without knitting. Cross the loops and pull the next two loops firmly so they don't twist again. Insert the working yarn loops alternately, first then second. Remember, the first one is not knitted. Be very careful not to miss any loop. The loop cross in checkerboard pattern, left to right. Everything is repeated, knit the row to the end. At the end of the row, one unpaired loop remains. I don't need it and move on. I begin closing the loops, right over left, repeatedly to form a neat edge. The blanket is very soft, light like a cold. The blanket is very soft, light like a cloud, and fits perfectly into any interior. The color choice is up to you. All the necessary links are in the description. Subscribe, like the video, share with your friend. See you next time. Goodbye.